People and relationships. These are the words that connect you with others. Whether you're meeting someone's amma or introducing your vinur, these are super helpful. Maður, maður, maður. Maðurinn, maðurinn, maðurinn. A man, the man. Kona, kona, kona. Konan, konan, konan. A woman, the woman. A woman, the woman. Barn, 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 barn. Barnið, barnið, barnið. A child, the child. Vinur, vinur, vinur. Vinurinn, vinurinn, vinurinn. A friend, the friend. Vinkona, vinkona, vinkona. Vinkonan, vinkonan, vinkonan. A female friend or girlfriend, but not a romantic sort of girlfriend, but a woman friend who's friends with another woman. Or the friend, the girlfriend, vinkonan. Amma, amma, amma. Amman, amman, amman. Grandma, a grandma, the grandma. A grandma, the grandma. Afi, 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 afi. Afinn, afinn, afinn. A grandpa, the grandpa. Sonur, sonur, sonur. Sonurinn, sonurinn, sonurinn. A son, the son. Dóttir, 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 dóttir. Dóttirinn, dóttirinn, dóttirinn. A daughter, the daughter. Kennari, kennari, kennari. Kennarinn, kennarinn, kennarinn. A teacher, the teacher. Yeah. So if you made it through all of these, you're already way ahead most people that visit Iceland. If you want to take the next step and have actual conversations in Icelandic, I'm here to help you. Check out the info on my courses and my lessons in the description below. Takk kærlega fyrir og sjáumst vonandi fljótlega. Thank you so much and I hope to see you soon. Takk fyrir og bless bless.